Hi, today I made Mediterranean chicken served with oven roasted potatoes and side of Greek yogurt sauce. Let me show you how I did it. To start, cut chickens into bite-sized pieces. To marinate chicken pieces, I mixed olive oil, lemon juice, crushed red pepper, smoked paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, oregano, salt, black pepper, and onion powder. Mix the marinade really well. Add it into the chicken pieces and mix well. Then put it in the fridge for 30 minutes so the chicken pieces soak the flavors perfectly. To start with sauce, cut green, red, orange bell peppers, purple onion, cherry tomatoes, and artichoke hearts. Now we start cooking the chicken pieces. In a larger skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or your favorite oil over the high heat, and once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces and cook them thoroughly until golden and juicy. After about 5 or 6 minutes, the chickens are cooked perfectly, and you should set them aside for now. Now let's start on the potato side dish. Cut the potatoes into the smaller pieces, then drizzle with some olive oil and season with your favorite spices. I'm using Italian seasoning for extra flavor. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees and bake the potatoes about 20 minutes until they are golden, crispy, and full of flavor. Now let's make some cucumber yogurt salad. Take 2 cucumbers and grate them using a cheese grater, then gently squeeze out excess liquid to keep the salad creamy and not watery. Mix the cucumber with yogurt, dry dill, salt, and a pinch of black pepper for a simple, refreshing salad. Now it's time to saute all the vegetables. Begin with onions. Onions usually need a little bit extra time to soften and build the delicious base flavor. Next, add all bell peppers, and for the extra heat, add half a teaspoon of red chili pepper. Now drop in cherry tomatoes and keep sauteing. They'll soften and burst into amazing flavor. Next essential ingredient is Kalamata olives. Kalamata olives are packed with flavor and add a wonderful healthy boost to the dish. Okay, we add some artichoke hearts because my wife really loves artichoke hearts. So here we go, we have some artichoke hearts. This will really bring the dish to the next level as far as the flavor and make it so delicious. Now is the time to bring everything together. Add chicken pieces to all the sauteed vegetables. Give it a good toss and make sure all the flavors blend beautifully. To finish the dish, add some chopped cilantro and enjoy the meal. Your meal is ready.
This is what I've done today. Let's take a bite. Oh, 2 thumbs up. So delicious. Thank you for watching. Please follow my recipe, comment and subscribe, and share it with your friends and family.